baking soda and a glass bottle. First, I am going to mix baking soda and fruit color. I'll keep this over here. And we will put baking soda 5 spoons. Now I'm going to add this powder into the bottle. I have done. Now let's take this out. Now let's pour the vinegar into the bottle. Wow, it explodes! Why? Because baking soda is base and vinegar is an acid. When we mix it together, it makes a chemical reaction. Gives a gas that is carbon dioxide. Bye! Let's meet in the next video. Hope you like this video and put a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye.